Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix outbound gamepad or controller not working issue. So the first method is to restart your PC once. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart over here. So after restarting your PC, now launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to connect your PC and controller. Now after that, go to the search option. Now search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If this doesn't work, come back again. Select disable Steam input and after that check whether controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again. Select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove the controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here. After that, check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows and Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. So after you go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here you will find an update option. Simply click on update and once your game is updated, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website, you must just go below. From here you will get the download link. You have to download it. After you download DS4 Windows tool, you have to install it. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Outbound game and then check for the error whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix outbound game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.